Assalamu alaikum, everyone. I wish you and your families a very happy and a blessed new year. Thank you so much for being here and, most importantly, for supporting my journey so far. As we step into this new year, I wanted to share an important, exciting update about my channel. This channel is actually growing with me, just like my life is. I started this channel when I was a mom of one. Today, I'm a mom of four, alhamdulillah, and life has expanded beautifully. With that, motherhood has grown and evolved in ways I never imagined. This journey has taught me so much, and honestly, YouTube has been one of the most helpful mediums for me to survive, learn, and grow through it all. Being a mother is truly magical. There's a special spark within all of us, one that softly holds our entire family's everyday life together. It's never about perfection, it's about working smart, giving yourself grace, and yet being able to manage everything. That's why I didn't want to limit myself to just one type of content. Motherhood is layered, creative, emotional, and constantly evolving. So I have decided to update my channel name to The Faiza Edits, a reflection of how I balance, organize, and edit the many roles I live every single day. Here you'll find sewing, alteration, knitting, crochet, smart cooking, meal prep, product reviews, and different mom life hacks. If you're a busy mom like me, you're in the right place. So if you're looking for such type of content that's gonna help you manage your time better, then this channel is definitely for you. I am focusing on creating content that's real and relatable. More than fancy setups, my videos reflect how mom manages everything in middle of everyday life with everything going on around them. I already have videos lined up, so you can expect regular uploads, inshallah. Last but not the least, thank you so much for being part of my journey. If you enjoy this type of content, please subscribe and support my channel. Your love and duas means everything to me.